the heart of Westlands, where ambition meets architecture and the skyline evolves with every passing month, Dolce Vita Oasis continues to rise with confidence and purpose. As December comes to a close, the development stands as a testament to steady progress, remarkable craftsmanship, and the promise of a refined, modern lifestyle taking shape one floor at a time. This month, the building's upward journey has been marked by significant structural achievements, most notably on the 14th floor, where masonry works have reached 50% completion. With every block placed and every wall defined, the tower begins to outline its future presence in the Westland skyline. Inside the structure, the transformation is even more inspiring. On the 9th floor, internal plasterworks are 90% complete, giving form and character to the living spaces that will soon welcome colour, texture, and the warmth of everyday life. Just below, the 7th floor has achieved an important finishing milestone. Both internal skimming and brandering are now fully complete. These foundational layers, though subtle, prepare the canvas for the sleek, premium interiors that will define the Dolce Vita experience. Further down on the 4th floor, gypsum ceiling installations have reached 95% completion, forming the elegant overhead surfaces that will soon hold lighting features designed to elevate ambience and comfort. On the 6th floor, living rooms now showcase fully complete floor tiling, transforming raw spaces into warm, welcoming rooms ready to host moments, memories, and modern living. Meanwhile, the kitchens on the 4th floor are taking shape as wall tile installation progresses to 50%. On the 10th floor, electrical conduit dropping work stand at 50% completion, establishing the essential pathways that will deliver convenience, safety, and seamless modern living to every home. With each phase completed and every detail refined, the development moves closer to becoming not just a building, but a lifestyle, an elevated way of living, and a timeless mark on the Westland skyline. This is Dolce Vita Oasis, and this is your December update.